Oh, here it is. I can't skip this. Because how often am I down here? I guess the Pacific Ocean isn't that much farther that way. Okay, onward to Goldenwest College. Okay, this is it. Goldenwest College. I think this is the sports area. Cell phone tower or something. Ah, solar panels. Stop restricted area. Yeah, so I think I read they don't like bikes and skateboards in the college, so I'll just ride around the perimeter and I'll fold this up and walk through. Oh man. Okay. Oh, so here's the garden. Authorized vehicles only. I don't know if this is just showing up with that sunlight glaring on it, but here's a map of the campus. Okay, and check this part of the neighborhood out. Right in front of me, there's a bunch of businesses. Frank M. and Gertrude R. Doyle School of Nursing and Health Services. Okay, I'm gonna go up here, then I'm gonna come back and walk straight through here. Okay, yeah, I remember this from Google Maps. Check this out. That staircase. It's brutalist. The Soviets probably built this. This is a holdover from the Soviet Union. They just tore out the Lenin statue. Alright, language, arts, and social science. Apartments under construction. It's like Warcraft. Job's done. Come get your helmet. Emergency. Hey, look, somebody's on a bike. Yeah, I guess those rules don't even matter. I can see security right there. Hey, look at that waterfall. Yeah, I think this is a waterfall when it's turned on. And here it is, one of the central courtyards. There they are, security. They don't seem too concerned. Interesting. Ooh, Regional Criminal Justice Center, Training Center. The theater. And I see something interesting straight ahead. And get a load of these apartments right here. They're probably more than $2,000 a month, that's for sure. Okay, here's what looked kind of interesting. They got some sort of like hill with a hiking trail. Huh. What is it, closed off or something? Oh, check this out. Like an amphitheater. Bingo. Yeah, so the trail just leads up here. Oh, look at this stuff. Colorful. Oh man, they have a food store. Or it's like a cafeteria. Wait, let me point the camera at it. The stand. Yeah, see, looks more like a food store than a cafeteria. Or heck, maybe it's where they donate food, I don't know. Yeah, see, they have pictures of food all over. And presumably these are some students. There's a track and field. Oh, look at those buildings. There's a more clear view of the AstroTurf. Very interesting. I guess it's AstroTurf. Maybe it's just an extremely well manicured lawn. Yeah, maybe it is real. But, oh no, it's AstroTurf. Really good AstroTurf, I could barely tell. Here we have the swimming pool. If I crop in, you can see a bunch of people swimming. Okay, this is pretty interesting. They have volleyball courts with actual sand. Yeah, you do not want to play volleyball on AstroTurf. And then tennis and pickleball. And this about concludes the exploration of Goldenwest College. Pretty impressive. I'd say it's on par with Cypress College. as far as exploration value goes.